Here's the car, 2022 Ford Shelby GT500. It has the handling package, the technology package, as well as I have the Recaro seats. Car is completely stock, full weight. I have a 3/4 in the tank. The only, I guess you could say, the only differential from stock is I have a Toyo R888R in the rear, 325 30/20. Makes the speedo read a little slower than it is, no big deal. I live about an hour and a half from the track. I drove it up, got 20 miles to the gallon, made a bunch of passes, drove it home no problem. The car has been awesome. But here's a quick video. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'll just give you a quick glimpse of where we're at before every pass. And all the passes were with launch control and traction control on. I'm just changing the different RPM settings and tire pressure. First pass, we got tire pressure at 26 psi and launch control set to 1700 RPM. Same tire pressure, 26 psi, launch control at 2000 RPM. Nice angle from outside. You can just see how the car just hooks up great. This is that same pass just on the inside. Tire pressure at 24 psi, launch control set to 2300 RPM. Best pass of the night. Same tire pressure, 24 psi, launch control set to 2500 RPM. Last pass, tire pressure 23.5, launch control set to 2600 RPM. Car, unfortunately though, I think traction kicked in on the third to fourth shift. You can see on the third to fourth shift, boost went to 6 psi, then back to the normal 11 to 12. Killing the mile an hour.